Okay, I got a quick tip here for you. I have a 2019 Toyota Highlander. I just put new sneakers on it, brand new, and I set the tire pressures according to the door, which is 36 psi. I went through the menu here, and you go under maintenance. But if you go under maintenance here, scheduled maintenance, there's nothing to do. So I went over to here to the display, hit home, or apps, I'm sorry. Okay, I went over, there's nothing in setup. I went into maintenance, everything's off here. Went under tires, there's no reset. So I hope this helps somebody. But if you come down here and you go, this is the coin holder, ashtray, whatever. You go all the way under here, there's a button right back there, TPMS set. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my finger on this. You're going to put your fingy on there. There's a little button right here. Okay, you're going to press that in, but not yet. And then what you're going to do, you're going to hold it down. 1, 2, 3. And then when it stops, let go of the button. That should reset your tire light. As long as there's no other faults and the pressures are set properly, you should be good. I hope this helps somebody.